Happy afternoon. Hope everyone's having a wonderful day. Happy afternoon for me. We're obviously a global team that is spread out all over the world. But there's another move that I've got to show you that was on GBP AUD that some of our members took on the Impulse scanner. And that's the beauty of it, right? The four-step scalping strategies, we have different entry models. But we want folks to kind of focus on this scalping entry because it's very objective. It only has 4 steps, and I'm going to show you those 4 steps real fast. And what's really, really important here is you still have to practice, right? Some folks get it right away. Some folks need a little bit more practice. But once you get it, you don't unget it. You know what I mean? So take a look at this. Okay, here we are. GBP, AUD, the 1 minute. So we go to our alert panel. Trend and strength, all bullish. Time frames, all bullish, including the 4-hour and the daily. But with the 1 minute or the 5 minute, you don't necessarily need the 4-hour and the daily, but it's an extra confirmation. Trend and strength, absolutely outstanding. The higher the number, the better. That just means a strong move. Step 2, macro trend. I got this on my phone. So that means there's a strong indication that trend is going to go up, right? See, that's a macro trend, an arrow, whatever you want to call it. Step 3 is you're looking for a pullback. Now, I've gotten this question a couple times, so I want to answer this right here. I might even do a separate video on it. Step 3 is a pullback. 4 red arrows against trend. There they are, right? It's against the macro, against the bullish on all time frames. And then step 4 is you get in on the first blue arrow back with trend. Now, let's say you missed it, right? You come back down here, a little farther down, and say, Jeff, I missed that first entry on that first pullback. Can I still get in on this potential trade? Yes. On the 1 minute, you have 2 hours. Here's another pullback, okay? In fact, it's almost a better pullback, right? You would have consolidated maybe in a little bit of drawdown if you got in on the first one. So if you missed it and you get in on the second one, first blue arrow back with trend, yeah. Absolutely mind-blowing. So ask yourself, can you follow 4 steps? We obviously have other entry models that you can learn, but anybody that comes in new, we want you to learn this strategy. 4 steps, very objective. These moves, a lot of moves on the charts today. A lot of good moves on the charts today. Does it work on all sessions? Yes. Does it work on all time frames? 1 minute and the 5 minute, this particular 4-step scalping strategy. We have a discount available. It's not going to last forever, because you know what happens? Come January, everybody looking for that extra money, that extra income, trying to pay off those Christmas bills. Now is the time to get in and practice and get the discount. Reach me for more information. Have a great day, everybody.